Hey friends, if you wish to download iTunes on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and go to the Microsoft Store. Search for iTunes and then hit enter. Now click on iTunes here and click on install. Wait for a few minutes and this is how you will be able to install iTunes on your computer. Obviously, you will have to log into it using your Apple account. And you know what? This is a great thing that while Microsoft doesn't have Chrome and Google products on the Microsoft Store, it definitely allows Apple products. Okay, and that's why you can install iTunes on this. So we'll wait till it's installed and then we will click on open to open iTunes and then click on agree. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.